Hitachi excavators are some of the most reliable and durable construction machines in the market today. These excavators are manufactured in several countries around the world, including Japan, where some of the most advanced and efficient production facilities are located. In this article, we will take a closer look at Hitachi excavator factories in Japan and their operations. Hitachi Construction Machinery is a subsidiary of Hitachi, a multinational conglomerate headquartered in Tokyo, Japan. The company has been manufacturing construction equipment for over 70 years, and its excavators are used in various applications, including mining, construction, and demolition. Hitachi has several production facilities worldwide, including Japan, China, India, and the United States. The Hitachi Excavator Factory in Tsuchiba, Japan, is the company's flagship facility and one of the largest and most advanced excavator production facilities in the world. The factory covers an area of 1.4 million square meters and employs over 3,000 workers. The facility produces a wide range of excavators, including mini excavators, medium excavators, large excavators, and ultra-large excavators. The Tsuchiba factory uses the latest manufacturing technologies to produce high-quality excavators efficiently. The factory has several state-of-the-art facilities, including robotic welding systems, automated painting lines, and machining centers. The factory also has an advanced testing facility that uses real-world conditions to test excavators before they are shipped to customers. Another Hitachi excavator factory in Japan is located in the city of Kushiro. This factory specializes in producing mini excavators and compact wheel loaders. The factory covers an area of 73,000 square meters and employs over 500 workers. Like the Tsuchiba factory, the Kushiro factory uses advanced manufacturing technologies, including robotic welding systems, CNC machining centers, and automated painting lines. Hitachi also has a factory in the city of Oosterhout in the Netherlands. The factory produces a range of excavators and parts for the European market. The factory covers an area of 63,000 square meters and employs over 300 workers. In conclusion, Hitachi excavator factories in Japan are some of the most advanced and efficient production facilities in the world. The factories use the latest manufacturing technologies to produce high-quality excavators that are durable and reliable. These factories are a testament to Hitachi's commitment to quality and innovation, and they play a crucial role in meeting the demand for excavators worldwide. Excavators are some of the most essential and versatile construction machines in the market today. These machines are used for various applications, including mining, construction, and demolition. Excavators are complex machines that are made up of several components, each of which is critical to their operation. In this video, you can see the individual steps at the excavator manufacturing process. Step 1. Design and engineering. The first step in the manufacturing process of an excavator is design and engineering. Engineers use computer-aided design, CAD, software to create a 3D model of the excavator. This model is then used to create a virtual prototype of the machine, which is tested for functionality, durability, and performance. Step 2. Material selection and cutting. Once the design is finalized, the manufacturing process begins with material selection and cutting. The materials used to make excavators vary, but most commonly include steel, aluminum, and rubber. The steel is cut into sheets and then cut again to the required shape using plasma or laser cutting machines. The aluminum and rubber parts are molded into shape using casting or injection molding processes. Step 3. Welding and assembly. The next step in the manufacturing process is welding and assembly. The individual components of the excavator, such as the cab, engine, boom, and tracks, are welded together to form the main frame. The hydraulic system, electrical system, and controls are also installed at this stage. Step 4. Painting and finishing. After assembly, the excavator is painted and finished. The machine is first primed with a rust inhibitor, then painted with a high-quality paint that is resistant to the elements. The interior of the cab is also finished with carpeting, soundproofing, and controls. Step 5. Testing and quality control. The final step in the manufacturing process is testing and quality control. The excavator is subjected to a series of tests to ensure that it meets the required standards of performance, durability, and safety. These tests include running the machine for several hours, checking the hydraulic and electrical systems, and testing the controls and safety features. Once the testing and quality control process is complete, the excavator is ready for shipment to customers. The manufacturing process of an excavator is complex and requires precision and attention to detail at every stage. The process ensures that each excavator is of high quality and meets the required standards of performance and durability, making it a reliable and essential machine for construction projects of all sizes. Let's talk a little about the biggest manufacturers of excavators in the world. Number 1. Caterpillar. Caterpillar is an American corporation that specializes in the production of heavy equipment and machinery. The company was founded in 1925 and is headquartered in Peoria, Illinois. Caterpillar is one of the largest producers of excavators in the world, with a wide range of models for different applications, including mining, construction, and demolition. The company's excavator models include mini excavators, medium, large, and ultra-large excavators. Number 2. Komatsu. Komatsu is a Japanese multinational corporation that produces construction, mining, and military equipment. The company was founded in 1921 and is headquartered in Tokyo, Japan. Komatsu is one of the world's largest producers of excavators, with a reputation for producing high-quality and durable machines. The company's excavator models range from mini excavators to large excavators and are used in various applications. Number 3. Hitachi Construction Machinery. Hitachi Construction Machinery is a Japanese company that produces construction equipment and machinery. The company was founded in 1970 and is headquartered in Tokyo, Japan. Hitachi is a leading producer of excavators, with a wide range of models that are designed for different applications. The company's excavator models include mini excavators, medium excavators, large excavators, and ultra-large excavators. Number 4. Volvo Construction Equipment. Volvo Construction Equipment is a Swedish multinational corporation that produces construction equipment and machinery. The company was founded in 1832 and is headquartered in Gothenburg, Sweden. Volvo is a major producer of excavators, with a reputation for producing high-quality and efficient machines. The company's excavator models range from mini excavators to large excavators and are used in various applications. Number 5. JCB. JCB is a British multinational corporation that produces construction equipment and machinery. The company was founded in 1945 and is headquartered in Rochester, Staffordshire, England. JCB is one of the world's largest producers of excavators, with a wide range of models that are designed for different applications. The company's excavator models include mini excavators, compact excavators, and tracked excavators. In conclusion, the biggest producers of excavators in the world are Caterpillar, Komatsu, Hitachi Construction Machinery, Volvo Construction Equipment, and JCB. These companies have established themselves as leaders in the industry, producing high-quality and durable machines that are used in various applications. Excavators are an essential tool in the construction industry, and these manufacturers play a crucial role in meeting the global demand for these machines.